Never make this amateur mistake with PVC pipes. Fastest sewage system connection technique. Never make this amateur mistake with PVC pipes. Fastest sewage system connection technique. Have you ever struggled to connect your home's sewage system? I'm sure there is, right? Connecting the sewage system with PVC pipes is always a difficult and dirty job if we don't know how to do it. But it is easy for amateurs to make a mistake in connecting the sewage system. And today I'm going to give you the most common mistakes people make in connecting a sewage system with PVC pipes and simple and effective ways you can fix them. With my method, you will connect your home sewage system with PVC pipes extremely easily and quickly. If you want to know how to avoid mistakes and how to connect the fastest sewage system that I share, then watch this video to the end. Welcome to my channel. In my channel, I will present fun DIY projects, crafts, and hacks. Experience the joy of doing it yourself. Subscribe to support me doing more videos.
2,000 years later.
This technique inspired by tips unknown. For more plumbing videos, please share our videos to all plumbers so they can enhance their skills better. Do you know, guys? An idea can change the life, right? For more informative videos about wash basin pipe, plumbing, kitchen sewer pipe, flexible bathroom, sink, drains, down comber hose, waste pipe check, subscribe our channel.